Hello friends, today in this video you will be able to see the beautiful mountains, rocks and surface areas of Mars. In these images taken by American Space Agency NASA Mars rover has just captured breathtaking images of the Citadeli region, offering us a unique glimpse into the Martian landscape. This area, characterized by its dramatic topography and intriguing geological features, has long been a point of interest for scientists. Friends, this Citadeli region showcases stunning formation that tell a story of ancient water flow and volcanic activity. With its towering cliffs and deep valleys, the terrain reveals secrets of Mars' past, providing clues about the planet's climate and the possibility of life. Friends, these images not only enhance our understanding of Mars, but also inspire a sense of wonder about what lies beyond our Earth. Each snapshot captured by NASA's Perseverance rover, Curiosity rover, and latest raw pictures bring us one step closer to unraveling the mysteries of our solar neighboring planet Mars' surface. Friends, this mosaic image, composed of multiple individual images taken by NASA's Perseverance rover, shows a rock outcrop in the area nicknamed Citadeli on the floor of Mars Jezero crater. The mosaic image has been nicknamed Malamire by the rover team and include a block of rock called Rosette after La Rosette, a small town in north central France, whose name also translates to Little Rock. French Perseverance successfully collected its first two rock samples from Rosette in early September 2021. An annotated version of this panorama shows the location of Rosette. Friends, the images in the mosaic were taken by the Mastcam jet instrument on the 180th sol of the rover's mission. One version is presented in hand color to exaggerate the subtle red, green and blue color difference among the materials in this scene. In the captivating realm of Mars exploration, NASA has revisited a mysterious feature known as Point Lake. This intriguing outcrop was first spotted in 2021 by the Perseverance rover, captivating scientists and space enthusiasts alike. But what makes Point Lake so puzzling? Its unique structure and composition hint at the past presence of water, indicating question about Mars' potential for life. Recent analysis has revealed new details, sparking fresh interest in this enigmatic formation as NASA gears up for more detailed investigation in 2024. Researchers are eager to unravel the secrets Point Lake holds. Could this be evidence of ancient microbial life, or perhaps a glimpse into Mars climate history? Friends, this mosaic view from the Mars camera on NASA's Mars rover Curiosity shows texture characterized and shapes of an outcrop called Point Lake. Friends, the outcrop is about 20 inches, half a meter high and pockmarked with holes. Curiosities recorded the 20 component images for this mosaic on the mission 302 Martian Day during a second approach to Point Lake. The rover used the Mastcam's right eye camera, which has a telephoto lens. As Point Lake first caught the interest of Curiosity science team in October and November of 2012, when the outcrop stood out in images taken during the rover's trek eastward to Yellowknife Bay. Friends, this image was taken by Mars camera on board NASA's Mars rover Curiosity on Sol 3917. What is the amazing drop formation? Please let us know in the comments how you like this incredible sight and subscribe to our channel for more such incredible information about the surface of Mars. Friends, this images was acquired on September 23, 2024, Sol 1277. September 24, 2024, Sol 1279, and September 25, 2024, Sol 1280. At the NASA's Mars Perseverance rover acquired this image using its onboard left navigation camera NavCam, left master jet camera, and Sherlock Watson camera. Thanks for watching. We hope that the video is informative and useful to you. If yes, then please like the video and don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel Depth Space for more such videos, NASA's ongoing missions and discoveries.